Hyang Yeon Korean Restaurant set lunch on a weekday. To address 80 Amoy Street. Safe distancing rules in place in Singapore. For the set lunch, you can choose a main, a soup, a side, a rice. Wow! Come early, this place gets crowded and you have to wait outside. Cold or hot tea is included in the set. This is cold tea, not beer. The first set is here. Check out the spread, the beef, the soup, the rice, side dishes. Woo! And the second set, chicken, soup, still bubbly. It's amazing. So much food to eat, huh? Each set nicely served on a tray. Side dishes of banchan, mine had sausage as well, potato, vegetables. Look at all the meat to eat. A very hearty Korean meal, very hearty indeed, and reasonably priced too. Awesome stuff, you know. Each set came with a box, an entire box of Korean seaweed. A nice touch, goes wonderfully with the rice. Yum yum. There was so much food we could even pack some leftovers to bring home. Yes, we did. We asked for a box. Thank you very much. Now, time to settle the bill, and the restaurant was full by now. Time for me to settle the bill. Less than $28 for two of us. Yippee! The restaurant was full and a queue had formed outside. Come early if you want to eat here. 80 Amoy Street. Ciao! Scenes from Amoy Street. Busy cars parked on both sides. So many cars. Al fresco lunch. There was even traffic congestion. Look at that, the cars couldn't move at all. Traffic congestion along Amoy Street. We checked out Amoy Street Food Center and it was certainly very busy. Welcome to Singapore, December 2020. Everybody take care and stay safe. Bye bye.